If you are experiencing issues with Messenger's note not displaying, then simply follow this step to resolve this problem. Firstly, ensure you have a stable internet connection as Messenger requires it to function properly. Then, visit App Store or Google Play Store according to your iPhone or Android. Then in the search address bar, search for the Messenger and tap on the Messenger. If there is an update icon available, then simply update your Messenger. Outdated versions may lack certain features and update the app via your device's store. Then, once you update the app, simply go to the settings and clear app cache. Once inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Then once inside the general, you can see iPhone storage option available. Simply tap on it. Inside iPhone storage, you'll get to see a long list of apps option available there. Scroll down and look for the Messenger and tap on it. Now tap on the Upload app and reinstall it. Then simply restart your device since a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Messenger notes not displaying. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.